Hi, I'm Michael Strassmeyer. I'm in the Capstone A course at Washington State University. On behalf of my teammates, Nick, Will, and Pete, I'm presenting the AutoMEDics update for week 11. Our product idea is AutoMEDs, the fully automated and networked medication dispensing system. I will be providing an update on our business model canvas, and we'll discuss what we have learned about our revenue model proposition. Based on the feedback and scores we received from our gurus and customers, and from our team discussions, we have added the patient subscription revenue stream to our model. Past interviews with our customers and gurus have indicated that offering AutoMEDs as a subscription service would benefit some customers. No revenue streams were eliminated this week. For week 11, we sought to determine what the reasonable price point is for AutoMEDs and its added-on features. In our experiment, we estimated the cost of the equipment and for the services based on the range of existing systems and services that are found currently in the market. We priced our equipment at $949.99 in this case. We sought to determine how much customers would be willing to pay for both the base system and the added-on features. In essence, we were trying to find the customer cost pain point across each one of the revenue streams. We surveyed 5 gurus and 10 customers. Our gurus included physicians, pharmacists, and so on. Our customers included elderly, individuals with chronic diseases, caregivers, and family members. Our 3 hypotheses were centered on pricing potential for the base system and service. In the first hypothesis, we looked at what the customer would be willing to pay if they paid the entire cost as a monthly service fee. On the second hypothesis, we looked at what if AutoMEDs is not covered by the insurance company and somebody bought the machine retail in an effort to reduce the monthly service charge, what would they be willing to pay? Third hypothesis is what if the insurance company pays for the machine, what monthly service fee would the customer be willing to pay? In the second set of hypotheses, we centered on the added features and sought out to validate these features as a possible revenue stream. Again, we sought to see how much the customer was willing to pay for these services. In this slide, with the guru response, we tried to determine what the user should be willing to pay for the base product. We found the breakpoint at generally $60 a month, and it is important to note that 80% of the gurus responded neutral in the top range, indicating that some of the market exists even at the top level. This graph illustrates the guru response when asked how much users are willing to pay for the added-on features. We did note that the gurus did not see value in the emergency notification system over $15 a month. Here, the customer response when determining how much the customer would be willing to pay for the base product. The center of those ranges seemed to be the good breakpoint, and we noted that at the high end, we would still have a significant number of service subscribers. In this graph, we asked the customers how much they would be willing to pay for the added-on features, and we discovered that the customer found less value in the added features than what we expected, but it's still a possible revenue stream. So what we found, demand for our product exists. Customers do have a limit or a pain point on what they're willing to spend. We have validated that there is demand at the highest price ranges, and the added features may actually boost revenue. Some are willing to pay for added features. Multiple sales channels do exist. Some of the feedback that we found from our customers indicates that some healthy respondents said they did not need AutoMEDs that were generally negative at any price range. We also noted that many that we surveyed indicated their response would have been quite different if they were not healthy and needed AutoMEDs. Some indicated that they would pay whatever price is required for AutoMEDs if the need is truly there. The fixed income population is a problem. They may not be able to afford the high one-time cost. We may need multiple marketing strategies and offerings. The addition of added-on features brought mixed reactions. Several respondents questioned possible subsidies from the government. So, for our next steps, we're going to explore a possible institutional use model. We're going to look at Alzheimer's centers and nursing care facilities to see if there's a possibility of a one-to-one machine-to-patient usage model as a standard operating for these organizations. We're also going to explore the potential standardized revenue model. We feel that there may be a possible pharmacy direct mail savings. I've noted through my employer that there is a 25% discount if I mail order through a company called Express Scripts. Insurance copayment may be another subsidized revenue model that we could explore. And finally, we will explore a possible partnership for inclusion of the added features. So, for example, we would partner with a Life Alert company for the notification system, or we may partner with Microsoft and have Skype built in for the video conferencing features.